2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, heated seats, OnStar, Bose sound system, stability control, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.